To ride a pig in Minecraft on the PS5, start by opening the game and loading your world. Once you are in the game world, find a pig by exploring the surrounding area. Pigs can be found in grassy biomes, so look for areas with grass and flowers. Next, you will need to tame the pig by feeding it a carrot. To do this, hold a carrot in your hand and interact with the pig. The pig will eat the carrot and a few hearts will appear above its head, indicating that it has been tamed. After taming the pig, you will need to put a saddle on it. To do this, open your inventory and select the saddle. Then, interact with the pig to put the saddle on its back. You will know the saddle is on the pig when you see it appear on its back. With the saddle on the pig, you can now ride it. To do this, interact with the pig to mount it. You will now be sitting on the pig and can control its movement using the left stick on your controller. To dismount the pig, simply press the dismount button. While riding the pig, you can make it jump by pressing the jump button. You can also make the pig move faster by holding down the sprint button. However, be careful not to fall off the pig, as this can cause damage to you and the pig. In addition to riding pigs, you can also use them to transport items. To do this, put a chest on the pig and fill it with items. You can then ride the pig to transport the items to a different location. Overall, riding a pig in Minecraft on the PS5 is a fun and useful way to explore the game world and transport items. By following these steps and practicing your pig riding skills, you can become a skilled Minecraft player and make the most of your gaming experience.